welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with this no makeup look for you guys. And this is a very easy to do makeup look. It's a very simple tutorial. Anybody can follow this. Like, this is perfect for beginners, and you guys are surely going to enjoy this video just because I have been doing too much of colorful makeup looks. Like lately in this Pride month in June, I did so much of colorful makeup looks, so I thought let's start July with some neutralish no makeup look kind of a video. And even my lips, it is a bit pinkish, a little bit darker pink, but if you want to tone this down, you can surely go ahead with that. You can go for any nude lipstick as per your likings. This is what I like normally do when I'm going out. I just apply little kajal and the eyeliner, but I thought why not, let's make it very simple and very wearable. If you guys don't like to go without kajal, you can surely add up some kajal and you'll be good to go. So yes, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and even follow me on all my social media handles. Everything is there in the description box, even the products, what all I have used, everything is down below, so you can go and check it out. So yeah, without wasting much time, now let's get into this video. Alright, let's start with the makeup. First, I'm going with L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence as a primer, and even this is going to make sure my skin is nice and hydrated. Next, for my foundation, I'm going with my favorite Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation 05 Warm Beige. This is my favorite foundation not only because this is my perfect shade, even just because the formula is amazing and the coverage is mind-blowing. If you wish to check out the review on this, you can just check out this eye right here, but you can watch it later. And now I'll be going with my concealer, and this is the Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium 25, and I'm going to apply this on the usual areas. Normally I like to conceal and highlight my face, and I'm going to again blend this out with the same beauty sponge. And now I'll be going with this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and I'm going to set the areas I have concealed and highlighted. And now I'm going to contour my face with Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face. And now for my blusher, I'm going with a very natural look, and for that I'm taking Milani Powder Blush, and this is in the shade 01 Romantic Rose, and I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. And now for my highlighter, I'm taking Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio in the shade 100 Molten Gold. So my complete base is done. Now I'm going to fill in my brow, and I'm just going to show you how I softly fill in my brows. And for my brows, I'm going with L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit in the shade Medium to Dark. Now, as I'm done with my brows, I need a little bit of contouring my eyes, and for that I'm again going with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and running this on the crease area, and you just need the lightest amount for this. that is it. Now I'm going with the highlighter even on the eyebrow bone. The same one I have used for my face, and even I'm going with this on the inner tear duct. And now to finish off my eyes, I'm going with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to coat the upper and even the lower lashes. And now for my lipstick, I'm going with Maybelline Color Sensational, and this is in the shade Plum Perfection. And I'll be applying this with my finger, just dab dab dab. So guys, that simple this makeup look was, and I hope you all enjoyed the simple and easy makeup look. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel, and don't leave my channel without pressing the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm coming up with a new video. If you don't know me and you're watching my video for the first time, hi, this is Anamika and I make makeup related videos and even lookbooks sometimes. Mehendi and Chandan art, there are so many varieties on my channel. Even I love doing series. So yes, you can watch all my videos. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and even follow me on all my social media handles. I'm super active on Instagram. Like, you can follow me there for all the behind the scenes and lots of amazing makeup looks. So yes, do that as well. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. You can find all the product details in the description box, even some of the review of the products I have used. So do that, and that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.